Testing, testing, testing. Hi there, guys. My name is Rohan Beve. Today we are going to be talking about why do snakes shed their skins. Today we're going to be talking about why do snakes actually shed their skin. So have you ever just walked outside, maybe in the woods, right? And then while you're just walking, okay, you accidentally step on something crunchy, right? You look down and hey, it's shedded snake skin, just some old skin. Like it looks exactly the same like a snake, okay? It has the same height, same scales, but for some reason it's just hollow. Well, why does a snake actually need to shed and how does it do it? Well, you see, snakes need to grow like every other single living organism on this planet, right? They start from eggs and then they hatch and then tiny snakes and then they eventually grow. But the thing is, okay, the problem is a snake's skin does not grow with them, okay? Because a snake's skin is not stretchy like ours. Our skin is stretchy so it can grow with us, okay? A snake's skin is not stretchy, okay? And it cannot grow. So that means when their body is too large, okay, that means they need to change out their old skin for some new skin, okay, aka shedding. It's just like changing on a pair of, like outgrowing a set of new old clothes, so you have to buy some new clothes, right? Now, when a snake is ready to shed their skin, okay, what happens is inside the snake, it will grow a new skin, okay, and it will secrete a special type of fluid that will help separate the snake's new skin from the old skin. So once it's ready to shed, okay, there will be a few signs, such as the snake's entire color being more duller and their eyes start to turn cloudy, okay, which means the snake can't see that much very well. So what it does is that the snake's head, okay, will start bashing its head onto rough surfaces, okay, to tear apart the old snake skin, okay, such as rocks and trees. It goes up to them, smacks them, and tears the old skin, mainly around the mouth. And once the tear is big enough, it'll slowly wiggle out of the old skin, okay? And once it wiggles out, voila, you have a brand new snake. Now, this process is also helpful for, well, one, allowing to grow a new scales, right? It also helps in removing dust particles, parasites, and old scars as well, which basically makes them look brand new, just a bit bigger. So that's basically why snakes shed in the first place, and that's, well, basically it. Thank you for watching this video, and hope to see you next time.